So I'm going to show you how to overlay a sky and add it to your image, and I've also included a practice image along with the sky overlays too. Alright, so I'm going to use the summer days sky. I'm just going to use my drag tool and I'm going to drag the image on top of the other image. So I'm just dragging that sky onto the image. I'm going to bring it just below the horizon line. Go to Edit and Free Transform, and by selecting Free Transform we're able to make the sky bigger or smaller. So I'm just going to bring it right below, and I'm going to go to my layers, and if my layers isn't on this side you can go to your window up on the top menu and select layers, or you can click F7 and that'll also pull up your layers window. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to I'm going to have my layer, my sky layer highlighted, and then go to my blend modes, and I'm going to select multiply. So when I select multiply, as you can see, it kind of darkens it a little bit, but it blends it a little bit better on the grass and like right around. Now the next thing I want to do though is I want to blend the sky in because the background is blurry, so we want to make sure that the sky matches the background. So I'm going to go to Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur, and just adjust the level of blur that I want to add to make it match. So with this one I'm going to go ahead and do 36. I'm going to click OK, and I'm just going to select my eraser brush, and I've got my eraser at 53%, and I'm just going to erase that line in. Reduce my opacity now, because now I'm just kind of blending it in. Make sure the sky's off of her, and there we go, the before and after. And so after adding the sky, then I would either run an action on it or change the tones of it just to make it match overall.